Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I got this very nice 2022 NoBo, No Boundaries by Forest River. This is a model 19.2. It's got the beautiful aluminum wheels with off-road tires. It's got a spare tire, roof access. This thing is awesome, guys. Even the spare is the same Goodyear off-road. It's got plenty of storage space. Sorry for the noise. This thing has a clean title. It's got a brand spanking new awning, guys. The material is brand new. So let's step inside. This is a 30 amp unit, rooftop AC. So at your right, you have what they call a Murphy bed. So you have a couch, and then when you're ready, this couch basically folds down into a sleeper. That folds down as well. Sammy's gonna have it open for us, and it turns into a full queen size bed. We've got a deep bin sink, 2-burner stove. You can sleep on it just like that if you want. Show them how easy it is, Sammy. There you go. Now you got a queen size bed. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Up here we have more storage, your rooftop AC over here. Again, 2-burner stove, stainless steel microwave, stainless steel refrigerator and freezer. More storage on this side over here. Cabinet over here. We do have a dinette top over there. It's like a convertible dinette that goes here, an extra chair over here, and the bathroom. We have a pocket sliding door right here. All right, and then your restroom. We have another vanity sink over here, commode, huge closet over here, guys. This does have a built-in safe over here that is optional, power roof vent as well, and a very good size shower with skylight. More closet space over here as well, guys. So if you guys are interested in this thing, oh yeah, you've got auxiliary power and USB charging ports on both sides. Even LEDs, I don't know if you can see them in the daytime, but LEDs for the awning as well, guys. So if you are interested, guys, my name is Chris, CGM Auto Brokers. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. I could be reached at 704-620-8388. Again, 704-620-8388. If you can't reach me, you got my trusty sidekick, Sammy.
Hey guys, how y'all doing?
Sammy could be reached at 706-294-0206. Y'all can see us online as well, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Guys, we do offer financing. We do offer transport and delivery as well. So if you have any questions at all, guys, please reach out. If you like these videos, please like, please subscribe. Remember, guys, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. God bless.